Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful setting on WhatsApp for PC, how to prevent automatic downloads for documents after the latest update. If you often receive lots of files and don't want them filling up your storage or cluttering your folders, this step-by-step guide will help you take control. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're already signed in and on the main screen where your chats are visible. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see a small gear icon. This is where all of WhatsApp's main settings are located. Click on the gear icon to enter the settings menu. You'll notice several options here, but what we want to focus on today is related to how WhatsApp handles files. From the list, click on the section labeled Storage. This is where you can manage how media, including images, videos, and documents, are downloaded and handled inside the app. Within the storage settings, you'll find checkboxes that control which types of files are set to download automatically. By default, many of these are switched on, so that everything you receive is automatically saved to your device. However, this can quickly take up space and make it harder to manage the files you truly need. To stop documents from downloading automatically, simply locate the option labeled Documents within this menu and uncheck the box next to it. Once unchecked, documents sent to you in chats will no longer download right away. Instead, you'll be able to choose which ones you want to download manually, giving you more control over your storage and helping keep things organized. That's it. The change takes effect immediately, and you don't need to restart the app. From now on, you'll only download the documents that you really need, preventing unnecessary files from piling up on your computer. This small adjustment not only keeps your device running smoothly, but also helps you stay in control of your digital storage without missing out on important files. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to apply it right away so you can experience a cleaner and more efficient use of WhatsApp on your PC.